how good were you when you started out?
Uh, See, I used to score a lot of runs whenever I got an opportunity, and
Mm-hmm.
we used to take part. Our club used to take part in competitions. Obviously, when you go into competition, and if you score a lot of runs and you bag most of the awards yourself, and
Mm-hmm.
then yeah, deep down you know that you can do it. And when people around you start saying good things about you, and you tend to overheard a lot of things.
Mm-hmm.
So in that obviously discussions, obviously there are so many coaches at that time used to tell that this guy has got in him. So तो थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया लग जाता है थोड़ा बहुत.
सर शुरू में ऑब्वियसली नाउ यू हैव प्लेड अंडर सो मेनी कोचेस, तो एक
हम्म.
कोई ऐसा एडवाइस है दैट स्टैंड्स आउट यू व्हिच यू टेक विद यू इवन नाउ, मतलब जो आपको याद रहेगा, आप कभी नहीं भूलोगे?
ऐसे तो देखो कभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, इफ एनीथिंग bothers me or technically I go back to my childhood coach only. I normally discuss with him, and at times I do get scared because क्योंकि वो डांटते हैं मुझे, अभी भी डांटते हैं, और उस चक्कर में कभी कभी मैं फोन भी नहीं करता हूँ और डर के मारे. तो ऐसा तो नहीं कंटिन्यूअसली. देखो, there is nothing as such कि there is one advice which has helped me which I'll remember. There are so many things, and everybody knows. I also know that technically I was not very good from very start. Obviously, other aspects of my game was very good. That's why I was able to score so much of runs which I have scored. But technically, compared to other international cricketers who are playing now, I'm not that good, which I know that. But their definition of technique is different, and my definition of technique is different. When somebody talks about he's not technically correct, and somebody else is, so it's subjective. But there are so many advices, Viraj. So I cannot point out one, but yeah, there is always, see, sir is something like that. He will not be happy at all, no matter how good you do. There is
Mm-hmm.
yeah, always a error in your batting, and if I don't score runs, if I don't pick up wickets, obviously that a call comes in, and I
Mm-hmm.
do hesitate to pick up that call. But yeah, always giving advice on your bat is not coming straight. You are shaking too much. You are shaking. Your bat is shaking too much. The one thing which he obviously says most of the time, see, while the bowler is about to release the ball,
Mm-hmm.
you got to be still. You got to be still. You got to your head needs to be still, because if you're not still, your head is obviously shaking. It's like camera. When you go to click a picture, if your camera shakes, then the picture doesn't come out good, clear
Mm-hmm.
picture. So it's very similar to your head still watching the ball is also concerned. If it shakes, then obviously you're not sighting the ball very well, and in that process, what happens? Picking up early length and line becomes difficult. So that was one of the points. There are out of so
Yes.
many advices which I
So,
remember.
sir, you said, so going back to your initial years when you were starting out, you said आपको पता था कि कुछ तो है, I can play, but obviously that uncertainty is there. There is no guarantee कि कोई इंडिया के लिए खेलेगा, है ना? So what was that driving factor when you were starting out? आपको कुछ तो होगा जो आपको drive कर रहा होगा, because in our age group, like Akshay will attest for this, when there is some uncertainty, a lot of us tend to stick away from that. हम लोग को safety ज़्यादा चाहिए.
See, what drives me to take up cricket very seriously, you guys will be surprised, but that's the thing which has drove me. First, it's love for the game obviously was there from childhood. The passion obviously was there, but money was also a big factor. क्योंकि money was a very very big factor, because हम लोग तीन भाई हैं, ऑब्वियसली बड़ा भाई, एक छोटा भाई, और मैं बीच वाला हूँ, मतलब जिसको बोलते हैं. सो हम तीनों को हम तीनों को इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में मेरे बाप माँ ने पढ़ाया है. एंड at that time my dad used to work in railways, so he used to get only 5,000 rupees a month salary, and English medium school fees and tuition fees, books and all that costs a lot of money. And for that he used to take loans, and if he is not able to repay loan in time, the debt keeps increasing, interest keeps
Mhm.
increasing. So those struggle times I have seen very closely at a very young age. So when I got selected for under 16 after going through the phase of school, coaching center, second division, when went to trials at Eden Gardens for under 16 trials. When I got selected for the main Vijay Merchant Trophy board tournament, uh, I got to know that if I play one game, I'll get 1200 rupees. So I calculated at that point of time, क्योंकि
Yeah.
हम लोग जो लोग बाहर हमेशा रहते हैं, obviously ये सब
Yeah.
calculation बहुत
हाँ.
जल्दी कर लेते हैं, बहुत स्पेशली पैसे के मामले में, ठीक है. तो आई कैलकुलेटेड कि अगर मैं 5 मैच खेलता हूँ, तब इनिशियली 5 मैच का लीग मैच होता था, then you will get this much of amount, 6,000. For me, my priority was to earn all those money and give it back to my mom and dad, obviously, to help that
Yeah.
that depth which was increasing.
Mhm.
So I realized was, if I'm getting this much of money by playing, then why not get serious into this game? And that's how, along with that passion and love for the game,
Mhm.
everything obviously just kept on going ahead for me. So I never had to look back, and I practiced more. And like I said, there was no off season for me.
I'll
Huh.
firstly, I love how you're so honest about this. Like you're an absolute straight shooter. So like, that's
Mm.
something so cool because nowadays everyone tries to mince their words, right? And be this perfect person on camera or
Huh.
Twitter or Facebook and stuff like that. But what I really noticed was when you said that, you were in a large way motivated by your struggle to, go to a better place in your life. Like one question I have is that, when I see a lot of athletes talking, they say that, okay, you notice that the ones who have come from much more difficult circumstances, some of them are even more driven to succeed. So is that something you notice, like at the top level? Like, do you notice that a lot of the best players are those ones who had no safety net to fall back on?
Yeah, you see, there are so many stories. Obviously, we know about MS Dhoni. Obviously,
Mm-hmm.
MS Dhoni has made it big. That's why his struggle story has become a very popular, obviously, and it
Yeah.
motivates so many youngsters, obviously, who dreams of becoming. Because earlier it was very difficult for anyone coming out from a very small state and making it too big.
Mm-hmm.
But now you will see literally every player. Like if you name players like Mohammad Sami, he's
Mm-hmm.
come up from ground zero. And there are number of players, Kuldeep, all the UP players, they used to stay in hostels, and they had their own struggle story. Like I know Suresh Raina used to stay in hostel, never used to get an opportunity to go back and spend time with the family at a very young age. So he had also worked really hard. And along with that, I know Pragyan Oja is also there, Rohit Sharma
Mm-hmm.
also there, and
Yeah.
all the Bombay players. You must have heard the word Kharoos.
Hmm.
So that Kharoos way of playing cricket has come because you see so many young players travels so many distance to go to the ground, and
Yeah.
after with their full loaded kit bags,
In the
and
local
that's
train. Don't forget the
in the
local train.
yeah, in the local train. So that's how at a very young age you see Prithvi Shaw and all the youngsters who comes out from Bombay. They're already mentally tough because they have seen struggle on the daily basis
Mm-hmm.
to make it big, and that's how they get a little bit of advantage because struggle they have seen pretty early. And yeah, obviously there are so many stories. Obviously,
But
we
before we
know
go to
that.
the next question, Manoj bhai, in this situation, just to follow up, in that way, how impressed are you with Yuvraj Singh's career as a cricketer?
Obviously, he's one of our role models and he's inspiration till now, obviously. And means I've watched him from very closely. Obviously, he's one of the gifted individual, I would say, because when he is in song, and I don't think anyone comes close to him, because the way he plays short effortlessly. Obviously, it gives you pleasure and satisfaction to see someone playing like him, because
Yeah.
effortlessly छक्का मतलब बहुत कम प्लेयर्स मारते हैं और उनमें से वो एक है। और मतलब जुबान पे you cannot express those things in words actually when you see something of his शॉट मारने का जो कैलिबर है, मतलब अच्छे बॉल पे भी वो छक्का मारता है और जिस तरह से खेलता है, मतलब वो फ्लैम्बॉयंसी, वो स्टाइल, वो स्वैग, you hardly get it. There are very few individuals faced by that I really admire and can hit ball like at will, and someone playing a flick shot of a spinner for 85 meters 6 in the gallery, it's not seen very easily. If outstanding individual, fielding में भी वैसा ही, और bowling में we have all seen that how crucial he can be in a limited overs, and see, winning World Cup, uh, uh, his contribution, obviously he's got man of the series that everybody will say it's obvious that he's the one, but later on when we came to know that he was struggling with cancer, and that respect goes a lot. It's not easy. हम लोग सिर्फ बात करते हैं, लगता है कि यार ये नहीं, क्या है, कोई नहीं कर लेगा प्लेयर, क्या है, थोड़ा बहुत डिफिकल्टी हुआ होगा, but the struggle which he has gone through and the way he has performed, man, he's one of the main guy who has given us the World Cup. Obviously आज के टाइम में खाली एक ही दो जन का चलता रहता है टीवी पे, but it's a complete team effort which has given us the World Cup, which I believe everyone should be given that due opportunity and should be broadcasted like that.
Also talk about some of your highs, because I want to know like what you were feeling like when you hit those winning runs for KKR.
Yeah, that's I
यार
wanted
मैंने
to
एक
ask
गलती
that.
मैंने एक गलती की। मैं एक्चुअली 4 मारने के बाद I should have ran from the left side of my area rather than going onto the right hand side, because right hand side में कैमरा फोकस कर ही नहीं पाया। So most of the time my back was visible, and when I see that little bit of clippings जब दिखाते हैं ये स्टार स्पोर्ट्स पे, तो मैं देख रहा हूँ कि मैं उस तरफ से भाग रहा हूँ, तो एक्चुअल जो परफेक्ट वीडियो आना चाहिए था वो इस तरफ ड्रेसिंग रूम की तरफ मेरा फुल फ्रंट ऑन आना चाहिए था, तो वो लुक बहुत अच्छा आता। तो मेरे आने वाले टाइम में मैंने
next year now you know what to do next year.
हाँ, वो मुझे याद है, वो मौका मिला था। हालांकि सुपर जायंट के साथ हम लोग जब बॉम्बे इंडियंस के साथ खेल रहे थे हैदराबाद पे, फिर मेरे ऊपर ही आया था। आई हिट द फर्स्ट बाउंड्री, देन अगेन आई थॉट टू क्लियर द बाउंड्री एंड बिकम अ हीरो, because he was bowling that slow cutter, and I thought that will grip with the pitch, and mid off was up. So my plan was clear कि साला मिल गया shot, but execution हुआ नहीं, and the ball kept straight rather than थोड़ा grip होना, चला गया mid on long on के हाथ में. So that moment was there, but I hope in coming future that moment I can recreate again.
So does it give you goosebumps though? मतलब doing it for Bengal, doing it for Calcutta, does it feel more special? मतलब I know पीयूष चावला ने भी winning runs मारा है, I know गौतम गंभीर ने भी कोलकाता के लिए जीता है, लेकिन we know कि दादा जीत नहीं पाए, we know रिद्धि भाई has not played for Bengal. So for us as Bengal fans, जब हम बैठते कलकत्ता में, we really want the Bengal player to do well for KKR. So that is what really gives us the most thing. So tell us a little bit about those feelings.
Exactly.
See, I'm very emotionally very connected to Bengal cricket team, and I always wanted to win Ranji Trophy while I'm playing for Bengal. And there were so many offers in my career from other states as well to come out and play for us as a professional. But somewhere deep down, I want to win Ranji Trophy with Bengal. That's how much I'm into doing well for Bengal. And someone hitting a boundary and winning IPL and for KKR was always special, and gives me goosebumps as well. And like you Shresh just now said कि जब तुम लोग बैठते हो बात करते हो तो वो डिस्कशन में मेरा नाम आता है ना, ये नाम तभी
जी।
आता है कि मैं कलकत्ता के लिए नाइट राइडर्स के लिए आईपीएल में चौका मार के ट्रॉफी जिताई थी पहली बार। ये डिस्कशन में नहीं आता कि मनोज ने एक 100 भी किया। वो डिस्कशन आता होगा वो सेकेंडरी और थर्ड टाइम
Yes.
बाद में आता है, प्रोलॉन्ग डिस्कशन में आता है। सो that's the impact which IPL has done to the cricket lovers of Bengal especially, and we have seen that it has reflected on Eden Gardens all the time, even though the player from Bengal is not there in the squad. In
Yes.
spite of that, the crowds, the stadium is completely full. That's how much they are passionate about cricket.
So you
So
spoke about the
obviously,
sorry.
so when you go out and represent Bengal, obviously the goosebump has to come there, and obviously it motivates to do well and do something for Bengal players. And along with that, we all deep down know that the amount of opportunity Bengal players should have been
Yes.
getting at the national level, it has not been the case over a period of time. That's why so many people want to see all the Bengal players doing well in Ranji Trophy and also at the national level as well.
यार
So,
मैं तो रोया था,
Yeah.
तू did you guys cry?
Dude, I remember the celebration. I was sitting in my living room with my twin brother. I remember his hands up like this and running. I remember that celebration.
Yeah, those
I
are
remember
thank you
Shakib
for
was
that
on the
memory
other
actually.
end.
Thank you for that memory
Right.
Manoj bhai, because
Yeah.
we were so young, मतलब
Yeah,
हमें
very
पता ही
young.
नहीं था उस तरह कुछ celebrations अपना बंगाल कोलकाता करने
Yeah.
को।
And you know, sometimes I feel like, you know, it's destiny क्योंकि like you said कि KKR में बंगाल प्लेयर्स का हिस्ट्री नहीं है कि like after the third season they stepped away. They said कि बंगाल के प्लेयर्स को नहीं लेंगे या बाहर के लेंगे, and it was destiny कि लास्ट में आप और शाकिब दोनों बंगाली बॉयज जिता के लाए। तो
अरे डेस्टिनी का बात तुम उठाए विराज, तो मैं थोड़ा डेस्टिनी का बात बता ही देता हूँ कि when you are destined to do something, you will end up doing that, because I remember मेरा बैटिंग पोजीशन थोड़ा ऊपर था, ठीक है, लेकिन फाइनल में वो सिचुएशन ही ऐसा था कि the team wanted someone who can play at a very high strike rate, जिसको मारना ही चाहिए था क्योंकि we were chasing a big total. So but before that I was getting opportunity to bat higher up the order लीग फेज में उसके पहले, लेकिन फाइनल्स में क्या हुआ, पहले मेरे बैटिंग के पहले इसको भेज दिया गया था, लक्ष्मी भाई को भेजा गया था, उसके बाद यूसुफ गया था, या वो दोनों आगे पीछे गए थे, लेकिन मेरा बैटिंग वो 4 से ना नंबर 7 पे आ गया था
जी।
तो मैं सोच रहा था कि यार ये पीछे क्यों आया, बट ठीक है, मैं प्रिपेयर्ड था कि डजंट मैटर क्या होता है, अगर सिचुएशन आएगा तो कर दूंगा। तो मेरे बैट से ही होना था, चौका लगना ही था, और साकिब के साथ ही होना था, क्योंकि साकिब and myself I can speak Bengali, I'm born in Bengal, so मेरा उसके साथ bonding off the field भी बहुत अच्छा था, we used to hang around, so that understanding was always there, so that helped in the finals as well, कि हमारा वो जो तालमेल है कि इसको ऐसे मारेंगे, इसको ऐसे करेंगे, कर लेंगे, and we were very comfortable doing that, so and we ended up being a champion, and this is going to be remembered by so many people, and that is the satisfaction you get.
First, so एक और question, so उसके next day हमको अभी भी याद है, next day या day after आप लोग ईडन गार्डन्स आए थे और ground it was left open, right, कि कोई भी आ सकता है, and I still remember हर एक news broadcaster cover कर रहा था उसको, क्योंकि KKR had seen so much up till that point, the history of KKR as a team was well captured. तो जब आप ईडन गार्डन्स आए, जो रिसेप्शन मिला, पूरा स्टेडियम, आप लोग ने डांस भी किया, तो आपने कुछ स्टेप्स सीखे कि नहीं शाहरुख खान से?
पता नहीं सीखा कि नहीं, वो नहीं पता, बट ऑटोमेटिकली वो डांस स्टेप आ ही जा रहा था, वो माहौल ही ऐसा क्रिएट हो गया था। इनफैक्ट शाहरुख खान थोड़े समय के बाद आए हैं, he was living up to his reputation of coming late, so जब वो लेट आए तो उसके पहले हमारे बॉलीवुड के टॉलीवुड के जो आर्टिस्ट लोग थे, they were performing, they were dancing, and it was total chaos, the way it was happening, obviously सब कोई इस तरह celebrate कर रहे थे, and like you said, it was like KKR was not doing well, and then the episode of fake player in South Africa who was leaking out all the news, so it was kind of a Shahrukh Khan movie, a drama, then anti-climax, then there are love stories, so it ended up like hero winning the title, basically hero winning the movie.
Bazigar.
and that Bazigar, and this movie made more than 200 crores, I guess.
So जब Eden Gardens, so as obviously आपने बोला, you started playing very young, under 16. अच्छा, Akshay, you have a question?
You have to tell us something crazy that happens from IPL parties. Like, we have heard so much about it. How crazy is it?
Yeah, crazy to Thai. For me, like I've said about my thing coming
Were
up
you
from.
unmarried? Were you unmarried that time?
Yeah, I had my अभी जो मेरी wife है, girlfriend थी
Okay.
उस time पे, so it was crazy, to be honest, because initial days में you guys also know that they used to have fashion show and late night parties after that. I will tell you one interesting thing, since today is Sunil Gavaskar sir's birthday as well. I would like to wish him from here as well. Happy birthday, Sunil sir. The incident happened to be that अब वो time अब होता है ना कि अब नया नया when you are not been in the like थोड़ा सा controlled way में नहीं रहते हो, you get like carried on with the things which is happening. Obviously
बह जाते हो
हाँ बह जाते हो, तो थोड़ा बहुत बह गया था तो उस time अब रैंप में शो हो रहा है, रैंप वॉक हो रहा है, तो obviously the front rows is booked for the players and for the big players and the guests, important guests. So obviously, so there was a drink in the hand with me. A couple of other players was there in the front row sitting. Okay, and we were having a good time, enjoying drinking. Suddenly, the ramp show started. Obviously, जब एक जन pass किया, one model just passed by. The moment that model passed, no, I saw Sunil Gavaskar sir sitting in the right front row seat. Was I मेरा तो फट गया basically. And you know the kind of respect we obviously have for him. And he's seeing a under 19 or a 20-year-old guy sitting in the front row player, and supposed to be Manoj, who happens to get the best domestic award of best batsman from his hand in Bombay in theatre, this thing prize ceremony. And he looking up to me, and I'm seeing, and I was like got scared, very scared. मेरा हो गया. उसके बाद मैं वहां से जो भागा उठ के सीधा रूम में जाके I went off to sleep. But Akshay, I can tell you those days, that was very crazy. And thoda bahut, a lot of young players also got distracted as well along the way. But it was better that it got called off now for the better, because it was carrying on for too long, and it's always better to not have those kind of stuff.
So I had a question na. So आप Calcutta से हो. Eden Gardens is the mecca of cricket, especially in India. So what was that like, playing in front of a full Eden crowd? Now I know me, जैसे when I was growing up, it was a dream, रहूंगा field में.
Yeah, let me introduce Maximus, my first child. He always comes and
How old is he?
Wants to be part of it. He's 5 years now.
Oh, even I have a Lhasa app, so 10 years.
Yeah.
I love dogs.
So experience of playing in the fully crowded Eden Gardens, the first experience I will say was not good in IPL, because first year I played for Delhi Daredevils. Okay. So I had no role in getting picked myself into Delhi Daredevils. So I was fielding in boundary. So they're my Calcutta people, my own people, in front of whom I have played so many years of like till that first class cricket. They started abusing me and they started saying, "Boss, you are a traitor." हम बोले मैं ट्रेटर कैसे हो गया? मैंने क्या किया? मेरी थोड़ी ना गलती है कि मैं दिल्ली टीम में जाके खेल रहा हूँ अपने कैलकाटा के अगेंस्ट में. So that was little. It took me off a little bit कि अपने लोग ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. But when I came back again to Calcutta, there is also a long story. But जब आया यहाँ पे, when I started doing well, the second game I remember. I'll tell you a little brief about the opening slot which I got in Calcutta Knight Riders. जब दिल्ली में सेकेंड ईयर साउथ अफ्रीका में जब हुआ तो मैं इंजर्ड हो गया था. मेरा यहाँ रिंग फिंगर का मेटाकार्पल जो है वो टूट गया था सेकेंड गेम साउथ अफ्रीका में. सो आई हैड टू मिस आउट on the rest of the tournament. And since I was not getting enough batting opportunity in Delhi the first year, because Gambhir was there, Sehwag,
Sehwag,
AB de
Shikhar
Villiers,
Dhawan, yeah.
Dilshan, Shikhar. So I was hardly getting any opportunity. So I wanted to shift to any other team because at that point of time I was a reckoning player for Indian team as well. I was on the verge of doing making it to the Indian. So it was important for me to be part of the team and start performing for any of the IPL teams so that I can be picked for Indian team. Because at that point of time, you remember after first couple of IPLs, player used to get picked by IPL performance only,
Yeah.
irrespective of the domestic performance. So that was very important for me. So I had to shift my base. I wanted some team to go and be there. So Calcutta, I approached Calcutta because since Ganguly Dada was there. So anyhow, the deal happened. I had to sacrifice a lot of money to come here.
OS Shah went or what? OS Shah went from KKR, isn't it?
Yes. Ovesh Shah went. Yeah, Ovesh and one more guy went.
Okay.
So I had to sacrifice a lot of money.
Moises
And
Henriques went. Moises Henriques went. I remember.
Moses.
Big
yeah.
cricket fan.
So
I just remember.
it's good to remember यार. तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ फिर मुझे लग रहा था कि I will get an opportunity in the middle order. So जब यहाँ पे आया then the circumstances was such कि पता लगा कि अगर मैं open नहीं करूँगा तो मेरी opportunity नहीं बन रही है टीम में. I was taken aback again as usual. तो उसके बाद फिर क्या हुआ फिर प्रैक्टिस ट्रायल्स हुए ओपनिंग में फिर भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला अब करना तो है प्लेइंग 11 में तो आना ही है तो फिर वो किया इम्प्रेस किया उसके बाद पहला ही गेम जो आईपीएल का थर्ड एडिशन था बॉम्बे में डीवाई पाटिल पहला बॉल ही आउट हो गया मैं फर्स्ट बॉल ऑफ द आईपीएल टूर्नामेंट ऑफ थर्ड एडिशन आई गॉट आउट टू चमिंडा वॉस रोहित शर्मा कॉट एट द स्क्वायर लेग आई थॉट बॉस अब तो मेरा अपॉर्चुनिटी गया अब तो आना ही नहीं है क्योंकि उसके पहले बहुत सारा ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ है मेरे साथ So anyway, they have given me another opportunity in Calcutta against RCB. Dale Steyn, Alin Kumble, Praveen Kumar, then वो भी था लेफ्ट आर्म कोई साउथ
जैक कैलिस भी थे शायद उनके पास एट दैट
जैक कैलिस हाँ जैक कैलिस का अच्छा याद दिलाया क्योंकि जैक कैलिस स्टेन को बहुत लंबा छक्का मारा सो 28 बॉल्स में आई स्कोर्ड 50 ऑड रन्स और उस टाइम में कैलकाटा का क्राउड I can hear my name everybody was shouting so that feeling was it's something which I'll never forget मतलब ऐसा feeling कभी आई नहीं है तो that's why Eden Garden is special because when they cheer up for you that's a feeling which any cricketer will not forget in his whole life
So again you spoke about the crazy fans right Bengal के fans are very passionate about cricket तो जब 2012 में विनिंग रन्स मारा आपने उसके बाद फिर तो ऑब्वियसली पॉपुलैरिटी भी आपका और इंक्रीज हो गया तो जब आप कैलकाटा में ऐसे कभी बाहर जा रहे थे तो डिड यू एवर हैव टू वेयर अ डिसगाइज कि छुप के बाहर जाना पड़ा
नहीं वैसा कुछ नहीं मैं हमेशा से कोशिश किया हूँ कि जितना नॉर्मल रह सकूं और जितना प्यार जितना मुझे मिलता है उतना मैं दे सकूं मैं यही कोशिश करता हूँ कोई भी आता है मेरे पास चाहे वो 20 जन हो या 3 जन हो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि हैप्पीली मैं उन लोगों को आई गिव दैट पिक्चर और ऑटोग्राफ इफ दे वांट बिकॉज इफ आई कैन मेक एन इम्पैक्ट टू देयर्स life for just 5 minutes by making them happy by just clicking a picture or giving autograph it's not going to cost me anything it's just that time थोड़ा बहुत जाता है बस but that's well and good for me यार वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं अगर ये लोग का प्यार ही नहीं रहेगा तो फिर तो समझ रहे हो ना हाँ कोई पहचानेगा ही नहीं
Like you take a picture with them, like you'll forget about it, but then those guys go home, share it on social media, tell their friends that guess who I ran into today.
Yeah, जैसे I was
even if they don't,
you, right?
yeah. Even if they don't share it on, even if they don't share it in social media, when they go back to their home, अपने माँ बाप को जब बोलते हैं, then माँ बाप जब उसके बेटे का खुशी देखते हैं, तो बेटी का खुशी देखते हैं, तो इससे बढ़कर क्या होता है? I'm not just impacting players like me who gives autograph and photographs on a regular basis. If that one person can give impact to so many people in their family, so why not, boss?
Yeah,
that's
like
why I got connected with Sushant Singh Rajput's behavior as well. He was so down to earth. I've seen one of the clippings where a balloon seller was asking for a picture and an old lady. So he was happily giving it. So that's much of impact he has done to that people.
For sure.
So I had wanted. Acha, Akshay, go on.
There you go. Because I know Viraj is gonna murder me later on. He's like, you took up too much time.
No,
So you,
go man. It's fine. Ask for it.
okay, so I wanna know, like, what's the craziest fan or heckler you have dealt with? Like, I know some people just cross boundaries, they don't know where to stop. Like, have you?
See, somehow these people like crazy fans get hold of my number. I don't know
Yeah.
how they get it, so they keep messaging all the time. So unfortunately, like at times I have to block them at times. But this is the most I can I can say, क्योंकि मैं ऐसा मौका आने नहीं देता हूँ mostly. Like if I'm happily giving anything interviews or like picture or an autograph, they will not cross that boundary basically. So
Yeah.
ऐसा मौका बहुत कम आया है, but somehow कुछ लोग हैं जो मतलब बहुत हद तक चले जाते हैं, वो फोन नंबर तक पता कर लिया. थैंक गॉड एड्रेस नहीं पता है.
हाँ.
नहीं तो वो गेट के बाहर आके भी खड़े रहेंगे. देन आई हैव टू गो यार, मतलब कुछ कर नहीं सकते. सो सॉरी अबाउट ब्लॉकिंग. अगर देख रहा है जो बंदा तो सॉरी अबाउट ब्लॉकिंग योर नंबर. बट कभी कभी यू नो, अरे घर का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी तो देखना है, मतलब है ना.
So last few questions just before we wrap up. I wanted to ask,
Yeah.
आपने IPL, international cricket, आपने बहुत legends के साथ खेला है. So if you have to make a gully cricket team of 5 players, which 5 players would you pick?
So you want me to pick from Indian team only or like
Anyone
overall?
you have played with. Okay, say IPL players you have played.
चाहिए क्या है गली क्रिकेट में? चाहिए क्या है? छक्के तो चाहिए ही.
हाँ,
और
fine.
क्या चाहिए? स्मार्ट
Bowler, Yorkers, you need Yorkers.
मैं सहवाग,
जी.
सचिन पाजी, युवराज सिंह, सौरव गांगुली एंड रोहित शर्मा.
एक्चुअली पूरा ऑलराउंडर्स का ही टीम है. बैटिंग एंड बॉलिंग दोनों ही छोड़ेंगे.
जितने भी बॉलर्स पोस्ट कर दे बॉस, हम आई विल बैक ऑल दिस 5 प्लेयर्स टू.
जिस भी गली में हो रहा है उस सबका बिल्डिंग का ग्लासेस टूटने वाला है. And obviously one more, because we are all from Calcutta, what are your favorite hangout spots in Calcutta?
Hangouts, yaar, I'm not someone who actually go out a lot. Hangout वैसा कुछ नहीं है यार. There is no such thing. But जब बंगाली खाना खाना पड़ता है तो वो चले जाता हूँ 6 बालीगंज प्लेस में चला जाता हूँ. और ऑफ लेट I've been regular ITC, Sonar Bangla. I've spent so many years with KKR, so I got that connection with that place.
Yeah,
and it's also happens to very close to where I live now. So whenever I get time, I go with my wife, have dinner, quiet dinner. You know, bar and grill is there. It's a very quiet place, and the coffee shop is also there. So these are the places. But apart from that, yeah, I don't hang out too much. Yeah.
So as a cricketer who's played for over 15 years, you have seen a lot of ups and a lot of downs. What parting advice would you give to youngsters starting out now?
See, it's very difficult to give an advice to younger players now, because see, everybody wants to become an IPL player. Obviously, it's not their fault, because IPL is giving so much. Like they give so much of money, then popularity is there, then it covers a lot basically. But I would say players to first of all obviously believe in yourself, work hard, because there is no substitute for hard work, which I've experienced over a period of time. And obviously ignore a lot of people who makes your disciplined life trouble, because the more you erase all the negative people, you got to understand who is making impact in a positive way in your life. कौन impact कर रहा है positive life में, आप मतलब आगे बढ़ने के लिए उन लोगों के साथ जुड़े रहो, और डिसाइड करो कि आपको किस फॉर्मेट में आगे बढ़ना है. अगर यही चीज तुम मुझसे अगर 2 साल 3 साल में IPL के पहले पूछते तो आई वुड हैव गिवन अ डिफरेंट आंसर. बट अभी यही बोलूंगा कि फर्स्ट यू डिसाइड इन विच फॉर्मेट यू वांट टू एक्सेल. If you want to excel in T20 format, you want to play for IPL, then you prepare accordingly. Then you prepare for a power hitting cricket. And over there, you obviously technique to एक basic लगता ही है. Basic of the game has to be there, but along with that, it requires another different way of preparation. And if you want to play for India or Ranji Trophy and for India in Test cricket, obviously that preparation is a little different. So first decide what you want to do and back your skills and believe in yourself and get hold of a good coach who gives you correct advice, because getting hold of a good coach is also important. Whether that coach has played so many matches, it's irrespective, because मेरे जो सर हैं उनके पास बहुत अच्छा knowledge, he has not played big but स्टडी कर करके वो एक लेवल तक पहुंचे हैं. क्योंकि सही गाइडेंस और सही इंफॉर्मेशन अगर नहीं मिलता है ना, देन ओनली players gets lost basically, because our game is a muscle memory game.
Yes.
If you practice a good or a bad for a number of time, since it's a muscle memory game, it will stick with you physically. Because अगर कोई टेक्निक पे आप वर्क कर रहे हो, तो अगर आप गलत चीज किए जा रहे हो ना, और अगर सर आपके पास सही नहीं है और नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं, तो वो चीज आपके बैठ जाते हैं. तो वो जब बैठ जाते हो, when you go one step at a higher level, then you get founded basically. वहां पता लग जाता है when you face quality bowlers. So वो चीज को फिर improve करने में थोड़ा और टाइम लग जाता है. जब when you growing up, make sure these things you take care of it. And if you want to play IPL, then IPL में आपको 3 format, मतलब 3 departments you have to cover. You have to be good in 3 departments: batting, bowling, fielding. You have to be good, outstanding in 2 departments. And अगर 3 हुआ, तो it gives better option for a captain and a management to pick you up. You got to have the ability to hit a lot of sixes. और अगर days match का preparation कर रहे हो, obviously you got to occupy the crease, score big hundreds, and make sure you have that patience in you to score big 100, and from there on you get selected for Test cricket. So it depends what kind of a format you want to excel. और T20 format में देखो risk बहुत है. जब आप यही चीज आप क्लब क्रिकेट में और स्टेट लेवल में खेलते हो, then you have to be prepared to get dropped as well, because the more risk you take, the better, the more chances are for you to get out, because you're taking too much of risk. But अगर click कर गए, तो sky is the limit for you. Because IPL में अगर आप खेल लियो, I mean, we see a lot of players now who makes 30 odd runs in just 12 balls or 15 balls. That player अगर 2 बार कर दिया पूरे 14 मैच में, that player ends up getting 3 crore contract for the next year.
Yeah.
So obviously you got to make sure that what kind of a risk you want to take and what kind of a format you want to excel in, and prepare accordingly. And just self analyze a lot. Basically self analyze अगर ज़्यादा करके करोगे, तो क्या होता है कि थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, but you know your own game. जब when you know your own game, then you are control of your own situation. क्योंकि at the end of the day you have to go out in the middle and play alone in the 22 yards. So that's how you have to prepare yourself.
Thank you, Manojda, for this
I
wise
was
words.
just listening to everything you were saying, and I just noticed that, even if you just snap out the cricket, like, you said things like self-analyze and stuff like that, it can apply to a lot of people, even in different fields.
Yeah.
Yes,
So,
yes.
yeah.
No, thank you for being so honest with us and just sharing your journey and, how your career went about, your learnings from just being a part of this. I mean, I learned a lot from this, just talking to you. I wish I met you earlier. Maybe I would have become a cricketer.
Like you mentioned, destiny. See, we are all destined. Yeah. So you will definitely excel in whatever you do. So let's hope for the best, and thank you for having me.
No, thank
Since you
you.
requested me, because it's your birthday today or tomorrow.
Tomorrow night, yeah.
Tomorrow. So I want to wish you again an advance happy birthday.
Thank
And
you.
also for Stressed as well, because I don't know, there is some connection with him. And when I feel that connection, positive vibes, when I interact with people, I try and give my time to those people only. And I like the way Akshay Akshay is also, because I can see the funny kind of a person in him who likes to joke around a lot.
So
So
many.
Got
I had a
very
very good time,
Thank
and
you, sir.
this one and
Thank
a half hours pass like this. So I enjoyed definitely, and let's
thank you
see
so
in
much.
future also I can again come and discuss in a lot of other matters as well. So
For sure,
lots
you're
of
looking
love
welcome
forward
whenever.
and
to that.
God bless. God